Foodie alert! Ready ka na ba sa August food trip goals mo? Eto na ang top 3 restos na dapat mong i-bucket list this 2025. Legit to, hindi ka bibiguin sa lasa at vibe. Kung seafood lover ka, the vibe is a must try. Yung big-sized bangus nila, grabe, crispy sa labas, juicy sa loob. And huwag kalimutan ng buttery garlic crab na sobrang flavorful, nakakalimot sa diet. It's perfect for chill barkada hangouts or family bonding. Super approachable ng staff. And the price is just right. Classic never goes out of style. Din Tai Fung is always a winner. Yung chocolate xiaolongbao, wow, lasang dessert in heaven in one bite. Umami bomb with that perfect chewy burst. Very classy yung ambience. Perfect for date nights or casual lunch. Sa food consistent ang quality at staff nila fast and maasikaso. The price is tama lang sa quality ng food. Huling-huli pero di magpapahuli. If you're craving for something meaty, try Blake's Wings and Steaks. Yung steak nila grabe. Perfectly grilled, juicy and tender. Legit steakhouse level for an affordable price. Sulit na sulit, especially with their signature gravy and sides na kropek. Food, it's worth the price. And ang serving pang sharing na. At nagustuhan ko yung service kasi friendly ang crew. So arats na mga foodies, tikman mo na lahat this August. I-save mo na tong list and tag your food trip buddies below. Follow for more food reco and hidden gems.